Okay, good morning.
Good morning to you. I've noticed you bought an early
Yesterday.
Yes. You come to the event tomorrow in Roxall Hall?
Yes.
The anniversary of Jaguar.
Right.
It's her birthday.
Oh, right, indeed, 50. Yes, I remember when I was 50 myself many years ago. This is a beautiful car. Obviously, I don't understand Dutch registration. How old is your vehicle?
She's from 72. Well, it's actually my vehicle.
Oh, it's
I'm
your vehicle.
sorry,
I
yes.
apologise.
She's driving it then.
For my
I don't.
sexist remark.
No, it's not. No, she's from 72.
72.
Yes. 26 May.
And she spent her entire life in the Netherlands?
Yes, it's an original Dutch car.
Okay, do I mind if I call her she? She's definitely a lady?
It's definitely a lady.
Oh, you see, I knew that.
She's called Penelope.
She has a name. She's
Yes,
called
she has a
Hello,
name,
Penelope.
actually.
It's very nice to meet you. You're in immaculate condition. I'd say comfortable condition. What sort of mileage or kilometerage should I say has she done?
Well, she's now at 37,000.
Kilometres?
Yes. But it's only 5 digits, so...
Has it been round the clock a few
Yes.
times?
I assume.
How long have you owned Penelope for?
I've owned Penelope now for 3 years.
For 3 years?
Yes. And before that she was 30 years in the same family, from father to son.
Oh, so they have entrusted a precious possession to you.
Yes, and I'm in a position just to look after her for the next generation. So I'm very proud.
You're merely the custodian.
Yes.
I
Yes.
understand. I understand.
So I just have to look after her so she can grow old and enjoy pension.
She's immaculate. I'm sure she'll score highly tomorrow in the lineup. Are Jaguars popular in the Netherlands?
Well, I think so. We do have a Jaguar club in Holland as well, and we have over 2,000 members. So you can see
brilliant.
it's for a small country that it's.
Well, these were very much an English gentleman's car, maybe also now a Dutch lady.
Times change.
Times changed since 1972. Rob.
Yeah, that's true.
It's been a delightful meeting you here. I'll explain, you can take photographs in the foyer area,
Yes.
but not on the factory floor.
Yeah.
Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And
Okay.
thank you for this welcome. It's really a pleasure being in England again.
Indeed.
Especially with her.